welcome back, episode 29. Guess what? It's quick, easy, it's short, but I have got a little bit done, and by a little bit, I mean I only got a little bit done. What I've done is I've started putting a skin on my trans tunnel, and I think it's actually starting to take shape. It's looking alright. It's not like looking like $1 million, but it's looking alright. And once I tickle this up and blend this in like this, and get rid of all evidence that the seagulls have been here dropping their crap all over the floor, then it's going to look alright. Basically what I've done, this section here is welded in, this section here is welded in, and then up here, this section here is going to be welded in. So what we've done is put riv nuts here. Right, and the reason I've done that is if I ever have to change the bush in here, or if I ever need to muck around with this, I just undo the riv nuts, and we've got access to the gear sticks around, which is fine. And then up here, we've left this section out just because all the water pipes and stuff come out the back, and the top two bell housing bolts are over here. So I've left this section, I'm going to riv nut it, and it'll be another panel like this one. And basically that's just going to give us quick access. We shouldn't have to take the dashboard out, we should still be able to get it undone, get it out. We can drop the bell housing if we need to, or we can service the water pipe or the temp sender or whatever we need to. And then the top, I'm just going to take it up and we're going to seal up what we've got going on, and then we can start looking at building off the side to recreate the floor, which is going to be quite fun. I haven't 100% decided how I'm going to recreate the floor yet. There's a few ideas I'm playing with, but I want to keep it simple, but I want to keep leg room as a little bit of a priority, just so it's comfortable, and it's quite nice having a good footwell really, especially when you've got big gumboots or something on. So yeah, we're working on it, we're getting there, but now we've got this in and it's skinned, it's given us a bit of a platform that we can build off. I'm going to redo the seat mounts over here and over there, and it's gonna work. It's all gonna look really good. So yeah, I'm happy. Anyways, I actually have to get inside and start working on our SEMA to-do list, which is like this long, and we've got this much time. We're off in 2.5 weeks nearly, so it's starting to get very, very real. We've got a lot of work to do. We've still got to make a presentation video, we've got to design our t-shirts and stuff. Yeah, so if they come out quite good, we might actually put them on the website, because they'll be a little bit different, they'll be quite cool. So yeah, we're getting there, and you guys are awesome. Thanks for the support, really appreciate it, and I look forward to making a plan on these vlog videos while we're away. Now I'll try and make them a little bit more regular while we're away, rather than once a week. Try and keep you guys busy for 5 minutes until we're back and working on the truck, and then there's no excuses from there on out until it's done, which is going to be a very, very good day. Anyways, we've got to get to work. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.